Mastering ISO 21500. To succeed, operational excellence demands a culture of continuous improvement and sustained performance excellence built on 7 sacred principles. When establishing an operational excellence framework, what are the essential key principles that its implementers should adhere to in order to ensure a culture of continuous improvement and sustained performance excellence? In establishing an operational excellence framework, it is crucial to adhere to essential key principles that foster a culture of continuous improvement and sustained performance excellence. The following principles are fundamental to achieving operational excellence. 1. Customer focus. The customer is at the heart of all decisions and actions. Understanding customer needs, expectations, and satisfaction is essential to drive operational excellence. Customer focus ensures that the organization's processes, products, and services meet customer requirements, resulting in increased customer loyalty and retention. 2. Leadership commitment. Leaders must demonstrate a genuine commitment to operational excellence, setting the tone for the entire organization. They should provide resources, empower employees, and lead by example, promoting a culture of continuous improvement and accountability. 3. Culture of continuous improvement. Encourage a mindset of continuous learning, innovation, and improvement within the organization. This involves recognizing and rewarding employees for their contributions, providing training and development opportunities, and fostering open communication and collaboration. 4. Process orientation. Identify, document, and standardize key business processes to ensure consistency, efficiency, and effectiveness. Continuously monitor and improve processes to eliminate waste, reduce variability, and increase productivity. 5. Fact-based decision-making. Make informed decisions based on data, metrics, and analysis, rather than intuition or assumption. This principle ensures that decisions are objective, unbiased, and focused on achieving operational excellence. 6. Employee empowerment. Empower employees to take ownership of their work, make decisions, and solve problems. Provide them with the necessary training, authority, and resources to drive continuous improvement and innovation. 7. Collaboration and teamwork. Foster a culture of collaboration and teamwork, breaking down silos and encouraging cross-functional communication. This principle promotes shared goals, collective responsibility, and a unified approach to achieving operational excellence. 8. Continuous learning and development. Encourage a culture of continuous learning and development, providing opportunities for employees to acquire new skills, knowledge, and competencies. This principle ensures that the organization stays ahead of the curve, adapting to changing market conditions and technological advancements. 9. Risk management. Identify, assess, and mitigate risks that could impact operational performance. Implement risk management processes to minimize the likelihood and impact of potential threats, ensuring business continuity and sustainability. 10. Performance measurement and monitoring. Establish a robust performance measurement and monitoring system to track key performance indicators, KPIs, targets, and goals. This principle enables the organization to identify areas for improvement, measure progress, and make data-driven decisions. 11. Accountability and transparency. Foster a culture of accountability and transparency, where employees understand their roles and responsibilities in achieving operational excellence. This principle encourages open communication, recognizes achievements, and addresses underperformance. 12. Innovation and technology. Embrace innovation and technology to drive operational excellence, exploring opportunities to leverage new tools, systems, and methodologies to improve efficiency, effectiveness, and productivity. 13. Recognition and reward. Recognize and reward employees for their contributions to operational excellence, motivating them to continue striving for excellence and reinforcing desired behaviors. 14. Partnership and supplier management. Develop strategic partnerships with suppliers, contractors, and partners ensuring that they share the organization's values, goals, and commitment to operational excellence. 15. Social responsibility. Embed social responsibility into the organization's culture, ensuring that operational excellence is achieved in a sustainable, ethical, and environmentally responsible manner. By adhering to these essential key principles, organizations can establish a strong operational excellence framework that drives a culture of continuous improvement, innovation, and sustained performance excellence. The pursuit of operational excellence. It's a journey I've been on many times, and each time I'm reminded of the importance of getting it right. You see, operational excellence is not just about implementing a framework. It's about creating a culture that thrives on continuous improvement and sustained performance. I recall a particular project where we were tasked with establishing an operational excellence framework for a manufacturing plant. The goal was to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance customer satisfaction. Sounds simple enough, right? But, as we delved deeper, we realized that the real challenge lay in transforming the organization's culture. Our first step was to identify the essential key principles that would guide our implementation. We knew that if we got these principles right, we'd be well on our way to creating a culture of continuous improvement. First and foremost, we recognized the importance of leadership commitment. Without the active involvement and support of top-level management, any operational excellence initiative is doomed to fail. We needed our leaders to set the tone, to demonstrate their commitment to excellence, and to empower their teams to take ownership of the process. I remember sitting in a meeting with the plant manager, discussing the importance of his involvement. I told him, "You can't just delegate this to your team. You need to be the champion of operational excellence. Your people need to see you walking the talk, not just talking the talk." He nodded in agreement, and over time, we saw him take a more active role in promoting the initiative. Next, we focused on defining clear goals and objectives. We worked with the team to establish key performance indicators, KPIs, that would measure our progress towards operational excellence. These KPIs needed to be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound smart. We didn't want vague goals that would leave us wondering what we were working towards. I recall a heated discussion with the production team about their KPIs. They wanted to focus on output, but I encouraged them to think about quality and efficiency as well. I asked them, "What's the point of producing more if it's not meeting customer requirements?" They eventually saw the value in balancing their goals, and we ended up with a set of KPIs that truly reflected their objectives. Another critical principle was the involvement of all stakeholders. We needed to engage employees at all levels, as well as customers, suppliers, and partners. We organized workshops, training sessions, and feedback loops to ensure that everyone understood the vision and their role in achieving it. I remember visiting the production floor and seeing employees enthusiastically sharing their ideas for improvement. One worker suggested a simple tweak to the production line that ended up saving us thousands of dollars. It was moments like these that reminded me of the power of engagement and empowerment. We also recognized the importance of continuous learning and improvement. We established a regular review process to assess our progress, identify areas for improvement, and implement changes. This wasn't about point-solving problems, it was about institutionalizing a culture of continuous improvement. During one of our review sessions, we discovered a discrepancy in our inventory management process. Instead of just fixing the problem, we took the opportunity to overhaul the entire process. We brought in experts, analyzed data, and implemented a new system that reduced stockouts by 30%. It was a small victory, but it demonstrated our commitment to continuous improvement. Finally, we emphasized the need for transparency and accountability. We created a centralized dashboard to track our KPIs, and we held regular meetings to discuss progress, challenges, and areas for improvement. This transparency fostered a sense of accountability, as everyone knew they were responsible for their part of the process. I remember walking through the plant and seeing the dashboard displayed prominently. It was a constant reminder of our goals and progress. When I asked employees about it, they'd proudly share their contributions and discuss areas where they needed help. In the end, our operational excellence framework transformed the manufacturing plant. We saw significant improvements in efficiency, cost savings, and customer satisfaction. But more importantly, we created a culture that thrived on continuous improvement and sustained performance. As I looked back on the project, I realized that the essential key principles we adhered to were not just about implementing a framework, they were about creating a culture that would sustain itself long after we were gone. It was a powerful reminder that operational excellence is a journey, not a destination.